Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our Focus Third series, we'll concentrate on 4 words today: few, grow, got, group. So let's start with the first word, few. Few people, few hours, few thoughts, few days, few minutes, few hours. Naina has few friends. Having few good friends is better than having many friends. Naina, are you ready to go boating? I'll be ready in a few moments. Let's go. Look, there are a few boats on the lake. Oh God, I forgot my sunglasses. I'll be back in just a few minutes. You carry on. The next word is grow. Grow, grow. The farmer grows rice in one farm. He also grows vegetables. He grows tomatoes in another patch of land. His farm grew over the years. Where do apples grow? Apples grow on trees. Kaushik's business began to grow quickly. He really works hard. The third word is got. Rita was late for work. In her hurry, she got on the wrong bus. She got off at the next stop and decided to go by train. Luckily, she got in the right train and reached her office on time. I believe it is no use doing what you like. You have got to like what you do. The fourth word is group. Group of boys, group of girls, travel groups. A group of children were playing in the park. Why don't we form a study group? That will be much better. Look here. Group the words according to the meaning. Do you love traveling, Mishti? I love to travel, but I don't like to travel in large groups. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration and be happy always.